Hey everybody, it's that time of year, and I'll be posting about the best deals I find for the holidays this year. So that's 2025. If you're watching this in some other year, please disregard. And it seems like we're starting with the sales pretty early this year. So I'll include links. Some of them will probably be affiliate links in the description below. Using those affiliate links does help support the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the biggest deals so far is the Focusrite Vocaster 1 and 2. They're being blown out at $39 and $69 respectively. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead and grab one of these before they're gone, because you won't find a better interface for the money. And if you need a mic and headphones, you can get those bundled with the Vocasters. The Vocaster 2 Studio bundle is $99, which is a $300 savings, and it looks like these prices will be in effect until January 7th, 2026. And if you're curious about the Vocasters, I've got a video over here somewhere that I'm linking to, and you'll find a link in the description as well, that compares the Vocaster against the Focusrite 2i2. Moving on, Sonible is offering 62% off everything to current owners of any of their plugins. Sonible, they've become my go-to tools for quickly mixing podcasts. So in a typical episode, I'll use Smart EQ, Smart Comp, usually Smart DS, and on the master, I'll have Smart Limit. And those get used on pretty much every track and every episode. I tend to use SmartGate when it's needed. It tends to do pretty good at de-breathing stuff that isn't too loud. But the amount of time that these smart plugins have saved me when mixing is crazy. I estimate that I probably save about 7 to 10 minutes per track. So let's think about this for a minute. If I save 15 minutes per episode, and I produce one episode per week, this equates to about 13 hours of time saving per year. That's pretty good ROI in my book. So these prices, they're available until December 5th. And to look at some of what we've got Smart EQ, Smart Essentials, but their Smart Bundle at $149. This is an incredible deal, and I would say it's definitely worth the price because, like I said, saving 13 hours per year for one show, that's pretty good ROI. Next up, Accentize is discounting dxRevive and dxRevive Pro to $75 and $225 respectively. This is the first time I recall seeing these plugins discounted. And since their first update to dxRevive Pro, it's become my number one daily driver for cleaning up client audio when I'm editing. It can handle just about everything I throw at it. And if you want to get a better idea of what it can do, check out this video over here where I use it to clean up AirPod audio. Clevgrand Brusfri. It's a noise reducer plugin. It's on sale for $24. I haven't tried this one out, but I have seen a few editors rave about it being one of their go-tos. Like I said, I don't have firsthand experience with it, so if it's something you're curious about, I would assume they offer a trial. Go ahead and trial it and see if it's worth the $24. At that price, if it does the job, you can't really complain about the price. Next up is Fabfilter, who's offering 25% off all their plugins and bundles. Along with Sonible, Fabfilter, these are my favorite plugins for bread and butter mixing duties on podcasts. They do a really good job of letting you see and hear everything that you're doing with their great UI UX. When I'm doing coaching sessions with someone, these are my go-to plugins because it's so easy for me to show what I'm doing. And then using solo, I can help them hear what is actually being done to the audio. So Fabfilter, they're great plugins. They have great UI UX. These are top quality plugins that I do use fairly regularly. Next up, we have Universal Audio, who has started their annual 12 Days of UAD sale. I know you can buy their plugins at a bunch of different dealers online now, but some of their best prices are only available on their website, uaudio.com. I've been using their plugins for, 15 years or so now. If you need solid analog models of hardware, UAD are some of the best out there. Let's take a quick look at their website and their deals that are going on so far. So we've got their mixtape, free plugins for $49. Let's not do that. Or 10 plugins for $99. These are, you don't get to select from all of their plugins. These are collections that you can choose from. But chances are, 10 plugins for $99, that's a pretty good deal. They have a bunch of custom bundles where you buy one, get one free. A bunch of $29 doorbuster plugins. They've got deals on their hardware, so their mics and their interfaces. A bunch of their bundles. So no shortage of deals to be found there. And finally, we have Shure. Shure's got their mics discounted. They never really discount that steeply, but they do discount a little bit. The SM7B is $399, while the SM7DB is $499. They've got their USB XLR mics, like the MV7 Plus, which is $269, and the MV6 is $149. That's about all I've got for you now. I'll make some new videos when I get more deals or see more deals that pop up. So subscribe if you don't want to miss those, all of that stuff, But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.